MintMall is a self-serving marketplace for products and services that embraces Web3 technology to provide a humanless experience. Self-serve means service transactions such as bookings are conducted based on DIY style, where users make their bookings and access their bookings without any help from any assistant. For example, a person can rent a car and self-check in to use the car without an assistant. They just use their Web3 wallet mobile app to access the car. Each purchase is also completely anonymous and does not require any personal information such as name or email address. However, some bookings require some personal information by law, such as driver's license information for car rentals. Thanks to existing infrastructure that has been built on Web3, service providers do not have to invest in expensive third-party hardware and software to offer self-serving services. They only need to reuse existing Web3 systems such as wallet apps like MetaMask, blockchain networks and more. Buyers are spared from having to download additional mobile apps on their phones, but instead reuse their current wallet apps. Here's how it works. Let's imagine I'm a car rental business owner and I wish to rent out my fleet of cars. Once I'm logged in, I will go ahead and create a bookable product. I'll choose car rental from the choices here. I should then enter details of the car and specify the price on a per day basis. I could set different prices for weekdays and weekends, as shown here. I should also include photos of the car. Finally, I should include my wallet address here to receive the rental payments. This marketplace supports account abstraction, which allows a better user experience in the future once the ERC 4337 standard has been established. This means in the near future, the seller can pay for the gas fees on behalf of their customers. Also, the seller needs to specify if they want the customer to pay them immediately or perform an approve function so that they can transfer the funds later from customer's wallet. The approve method is best when seller wishes to collect a deposit. Once I'm done, I just have to hit the publish button and my listing will be live immediately. Now, let's imagine I'm a customer and I wish to rent this car. I'm already logged in with my wallet. Now, I shall specify the start date and end date that I wish to rent. Then, I shall hit this button to book this car. On this page, I need to upload my driver's license. I could also enter my email address to receive the receipt and emails from the seller if I want to. Otherwise, I just press this button to proceed. Now, I should interact with my wallet to approve the seller to deduct the amount for this rental. The amount deducted can be set higher than the actual rental fee to act as a deposit, just in case something happened to the car and I need to pay for it. Now my booking is complete. The next step is for the car renter to confirm this booking. I'm now back as the car rental owner. Here's the booking I just received. Now, I just need to claim the payment by hitting this Get Paid button. On my wallet, I shall now transfer the rental fees from the customer's wallet to my wallet. Awesome. I shall now change the booking status to confirm. Now, as the customer who rented the car, I'm ready to pick up the car. During pickup, I only have to use my wallet app to scan a QR code on a screen like this. So I don't have to install a new app. And once it confirms that I'm the renter, the box containing the key to the car shall open. There's no need for an assistant to help me because everything is self-served. And I'm all set to drive the car away. That's it.